If you want to know how to start an online business that will earn you enough income, then keep watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again with another exciting video. If you are new here, you are welcome to this amazing family. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that right now. Turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video. So before I begin this video, I would like to say that from now on, I am going to be uploading more videos on how to start and grow your own business, and also uploading videos on YouTube tips on how you could start your own YouTube channel and also grow your YouTube channel like I've been doing before. So the reason why I decided to include business on this YouTube channel is because I have been studying how to become a successful entrepreneur for quite a long time now. So I thought about why don't I bring those tips and tricks to you guys on how I started my own business as a teenager, and at the same time I've been able to do a lot of online business which has helped me raise some amount of money, and at the same time I've also teach people how they could start their own business. So I just thought this is a good thing that I should share it with my subscribers because you guys deserve more. So that's why I'm going to be bringing in how to start and grow your own business from now on. So if this sounds like something you would like, please subscribe to this amazing family, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment telling me other types of business related videos that you would like to see, and I will get into it. Thank you. So as usual, I would like to give a shout out to the people who commented on my last video. Today's shout out goes to the above people. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and guys, please go subscribe to their YouTube channel and support them. Thank you. So if you want to get a shout out from me, what you need to do is to comment on this video right now telling me what you like about this video and other types of videos that you would like to see on this YouTube channel. So on today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys 7 strategies that I used to start my own online business and started earning an amount of money. So if you are planning to start your own business, so these are the 7 must-do strategies that you need to start your own online business and also grow the same business. So this is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. If you want to know all of these things, keep on watching this video and make sure you watch this video to the end and leave me a comment other types of business related videos that you would like to see on this YouTube channel. Without further talk, we are just going to get into this video. So the first strategy and the first thing that you want to do to start your own business that will earn you money is to have an idea. So no idea actually means no business. So the first thing you want to think about, okay, what am I going to do? What is this business going to be about? So what is that thing that I'm going to be doing? What problem is this thing going to be solving? Or are you going to an already existing market? Are you trying to like bring in your own spice and add something new to something that is already out there? So you want to decide, what is it I'm going to be doing? What is my business going to be about? So this business idea doesn't need to be massive. It doesn't need to be so big. It could be anything. It could be small. And the most important thing, that even later in the future, that you can always change this idea to something else or to something you enjoyed more. So that is why you just want to start somewhere. You don't need to think about, oh, what is that massive thing that I can do? So all you need is just something. If it's already an existing idea, you want to add in something new, that is fine. Or if you're coming with something new, that again is acceptable. So you just have to have an idea in order to start this business. So after you decide on the idea and the thing you're going to be doing, so the second thing you want to do is to have a business plan. Just like it sounds, a plan. So this basically means all the process that you are going to be taking to achieve this your idea. So you want to plan ahead. You want to plan everything. You want to put together, how am I going to achieve this idea? Who are going to be my suppliers? Who are the people I'm going to be meeting? Who are going to be my targeted market? So this is basically your plan. Are you going to be achieving your idea? Are you going to be financing your idea? So what are those legal rights that you need to know to finally start your own idea, to finally start your own business? So these are what your business plan has to contain. You need to have a plan. There are so many templates out there that you could use to put on your business plan together. I will just leave some on the description box so you can go there and search for it. Try to like fill up all those things so that you can know the process and the things you need to do while you are starting this business. So now we have a business idea, we have a business plan. The next thing we want to do is to involve on market research. So if you don't research your business idea, it simply means you are planning to fail. What I mean is you want to be able to understand who are your targeted market. Would they like this product that I'm bringing out there? Would they purchase it from me? What do I need to change? Who are my competitors? What are they doing? What do I need to do differently? Because if you do not research on these things, you are going to fail, because the market world out there is a lot of competitions. And I'm just going to say, I don't think there's any business idea that's going to come up right now that's not already existing. So what that means is you are already going to have competitors. So that's why you need to research your market, and you need to know who are your targeted market, because this will help you not to waste money. This will help you not to promote your business to the wrong people. So you need to understand, who am I targeting? Is it male, female, or who are they? Who are those people that are going to be purchasing my product? Let me take, for example, I am starting a clothing market, and I'm basically making my clothing for male only. So what do I need to do is to research, who are those people? Who are those male? How do they live? What are their income? How much can they afford? What is going to be the pricing of my product? So let's take, for example, you're making tea to slim down. So the type of people you need to target are people who will be interested on getting slim, on getting fit. So you don't want to make product for everyone. You don't want to just be over there on the market without targeting the actual people, because in doing that, your product is not going to be selling. Now, this is why you need to research how your pricing is going to be, who are going to be your targeted market, what are your competitors already doing, what do you need to do differently, what do you need to add, what is missing out there. So this is why you need to research your market before you go out there. Researching your market really does matters and plays a big role on your product, if you want to sell out there or not. So get into research. Once you have your business idea, you prepare your plan, and then do your research. So I'm just going to say the ways you could create this market research. You could use some surveys, you could use word of mouth, and there are so many ways you could do it. So if you want me to do a video on how to do market research, I will basically do a video on that, on how to create surveys and all that things for free. So let me know on the comment section, and I will get into that. So now we have our idea, we have our plan, we've researched our product. The next thing we want to do is to develop this product. In order to successfully develop a product that your targeted market are going to buy, what you want to do is to put those things that you've researched into producing your product. You don't want to research on your product and then do something else. So if under your research, majority of people say they are not willing to pay £50 for a makeup product that you're going to be producing. So what you want to do is to still create high quality product, but in an affordable way. So you don't want to just say, well, I don't care, even if they're not willing to pay £50 for it, I'm gonna make it £10 there. I don't care, I need to make my gain. Yes, you can still make your gain, but then produce that product in a way that it will suit your targeted market. You want to develop that product in the right way. You want to put in all of those things that you've researched into producing your product, because if you don't do that, your targeted market might still see the product, but they won't be moved to buy yours. They will rather buy that of your competitors. So you want to look into those parts and be like, okay, what are my competitors doing? How are they doing these things? What are they actually putting in their product that is winning those customers? Now that is what you want to do. So while you're developing your market, put all of the things that you've researched into place and use it to produce that perfect product that your customers and your targeted market are going to like and purchase. So after you've developed your product, the next thing you want to do is to create a website or social media platform. So this is very important. Basically, we are actually doing this business online right now. So that is why you need to make sure that you have a website. There are so many ways that you could create a website there. My previous website that I had, I actually created it using HostGator, and that was really good. So you could either use Bluehost, GoDaddy. There are so many ways that you could create your own website, even WordPress. So there are so many. So what you want to do is to create a website or a social media platform. This is very important, and this is what you want to get into, because you could even gain more customers just by creating a social media platform, because there are a lot of people on social media. There are people on Instagram, Facebook. So you want to create your business platform. You want to create a website where your customers can go in to read more about your product, to see your product, and to even say, okay, I want to purchase that that product. So that is the next thing you want to do. Create a website or a social media platform. So after you've created your website, the next thing you want to do is to market your product. I don't understand however you're going to sell if you don't market your product. So how you could market your product, you could do it through word of mouth, you could do it through social media, you could do it through paid advertisement. But if you're just starting, you don't need to pay for advertising. So social media is really there for you to market your product. You could do networking, and there is a lot of things that you could do to market your product, so people can be aware what is your product about. So you want to make sure that you market it, you want to make sure that you promote your product, and there are so many ways you could do this. You could even do this by going to events and then sharing your business card, making people aware of this is what my business is about. So it is very important that you market your product so that people can be aware of what you are selling. You could use word of mouth. You could talk with your friends and be like, oh, this is what I'm selling, can you help me post it? Can you help me tell your friends that I'm selling this particular thing? I'm selling makeup. Let them know about it. And you want to market your product. This is where sales are going to start coming in. If you don't market it, people are not going to be aware of what your product is. It's just going to be around you or your family, and you don't want to do that to your business. So now that we've done all of the systems that is really important in creating your online business, so the seventh strategy is to serve your customers. So we've developed our products, we've done our business plan, we've done everything. So it is time for us to start serving our targeted customers. So you want to make sure that you are making your customers happy, because there are so many competitors out there. There's so many competitions on the market world. So you want to make sure that yours is a different. So what I mean is, I do buy hair and themes from AliExpress. So anytime I purchase, I always get like an appreciation letter. Sometimes I get extra gift. So because it is an online business, they want me to come back and purchase from them. They want me to tell my friends and be like, oh, go purchase from these people because they are really nice. They do give you letters, they do give you other things. So that is what you want to get into. You don't need to spend a lot for this. You could just get a little gift card, just write some appreciation there, just make things happy. You could buy eyelashes and just add it to your gift. So you don't need to spend a lot to this, because your business is an online business. So you want to involve on things like this. Add them some appreciation card, add them some gift. Just put in something to kind of encourage that customer to come back to you, because this is really important. The competition out there is really high, and you want to make sure that you're pleasing your customer so they can come back. If you can even do an after customer care. So what does this mean is that maybe after some time you could just send a message, make them understand about any discount that you're giving out there. You could send them an email saying thank you. There are so many things that you could do to win your customers' heart, and this is what you want to do while you're serving your customers. So guys, these are the 7 strategies that I use to start my own online business, and these are the things you want to do if you want to get into the business world. It is very, very important. So guys, that actually completes this video. Make sure that you put in these 7 things into practice if you want to start your own business and start earning money, because these are really important, and these are the things that I have done to start my own online business and start earning money. So these are really things that you want to get into. Thank you. So if you have any question, don't forget to leave a comment, or you could write me on my social media, or you could write me on my email, and I'll gladly reply you. So thank you for watching this video. If you still haven't subscribed yet, please do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video, and I'll be coming up with that business related video next time. So take good care of yourself. I love you all, and bye.